Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adenike again. How are you doing? In today's video I'll be making grilled croaker fish, fried yam, sweet potato and some little fries for my family. Trust me, this recipe is so good, it's so easy and yummy delicious. So let's start cooking. This is my croaker fish I'll be using. It's already washed, cleaned with lemon or lime, anyone you have at home, and I'm drying it now. I've already dried before, but just to pet and dry it very well. And also I'm going to make some incision on it so that the pepper is going to penetrate very well inside the fish. I'm also going to repeat the same thing on the second side of the fish. For my pepper mix, I have red bell pepper, onion, ginger and scotch bonnet and some little tomato. I'm going to blend this all together, not too smooth, but I'm going to blend it in a way that is like it's going to look nice for what I want to use it for. And also, if you're a new subscriber on my channel, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you, God bless you. And if you are coming across my video for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel for more video. Join this lovely family. Over there I have 2 seasoning cubes I'll be using. I'm going to put the seasoning cube in my blender. In the pepper, I'm going to blend everything together. That will be easy for me. I'm going to start frying my pepper now by adding my oil to the pan. I'm going to allow it to heat up for a few minutes. I'm adding my pepper now. Now I'm going to add my curry, thyme, salt and chili pepper. Don't forget, I've already blended my seasoning cube with the pepper and I'm blending. I'm going to mix together and leave it to fry. Now I will start with my yam. I'll start to peel my yam and my sweet potato. Guys, yam is very expensive here, so we don't store yam. The highest I can buy and store is just half box, on which is 8 pieces. And even with the 8 pieces, some is going to get spoiled, as you can see in the video. My fried pepper is ready now, and I'm taking some out because I'm going to use it to rub the croaker fish. Now I'm adding salt on the fish, both sides of the fish and inside the fish. I'm adding my fried pepper now. Generously, I'm going to add it, like rub it all over the fish, both sides of the fish and inside the fish, generously. Guys, you need to try this method. You are going to love it. You need to try it. You are going to love it. It's so delicious. And I'm going to grill this for 30 to 35 minutes because it's a big fish. I'll be adding salt, a little bit of salt to my potato and yam before frying. And also I'll be deep frying my yam and potato. Guys, my fish is ready. Oh my god, this is looking yummy and delicious. I'm gonna put this back in the oven for extra 5 minutes so that it's gonna dry up. Yes, and my yam is ready. My yam and sweet potato is ready. For me, sometimes if I want my yam to be soft inside and crunchy outside, I normally add a little bit of water when I'm frying so that it's going to like come out really good. In my country, we call this dundu. Like fry yam is called dundu. So because we fry it, it's called dundu. And I'm adding a little bit of fries for my little baby. She loves fries and ketchup. And for us, we are having this fish with this yummy fried yam and sweet potato, dundu alata. And by the side, we are going to have our fried pepper and ketchup for the little girl. Come and join us. So this is yummy. When I say yummy, you need to try it out. Don't forget to comment, like and share. Yes, it's colorful, beautiful and yummy. Come and join us. So we are going to start digging in the food. You need to try this, guys. If sometimes you don't want to eat eba amala like fufu all the time, you can just try this recipe from Adenike Space. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.